Hello guys, Ajiwe Isaac here. Let's take a look at this example on probability distribution. The example reads, a fair coin is tossed three times. Using a tree diagram, obtain the sample space, define a random variable on the number of heads that appear, determine the probability distribution, and obtain the expected value of the experiment. So it is common practice to use the technique of tree diagram to obtain sample space when we have a binomial outcome. So since it says a fair coin, it is important to know that it simply means the head and the tail have equal chance of occurrence. So by the time we draw the tree diagram there, we can then obtain our sample space as S as indicated in the set. So we have a case where we have head tail, head, and so on and so forth. So the sample space is already obtained there, and there are 8 elements in the sample space. So we also can define, according to the question B, said we should define a random variable on the number of heads. So we say let x be the random variable on the number of heads, and that means x can take the value of 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, and 3 head. And then we can also obtain the set of those elements. So the probability for x taking the value of 0 is 1 over 8 because there is only one element in that set. The probability that x take the value of 1 is 3 over 8 because there are 3 elements in the set: head, tail, head, tail, head. We'll notice that there's only one head occurring there, and so on and so forth. So if we put that into a table, then we have our probability distribution table. So to obtain our expected value of x, we would find the definition of the expected value of x to be the summation of x multiplied by the probability that x take the value of x for each case. And so by the time we took to multiply each of the x by the probability in that table, and then we take the sum, then we would obtain the expected value of x to be 12 over 8. This is how one way we can approach a probability distribution problem. The alternative is to use a statistical table because formulas or models have been developed to help us get the values directly from the table. You can like the video, share with your friends, subscribe onto the channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you. See you in other videos. Bye.